Stay incredibly comfortable when you're going for a daily run or some daily exercise with this very versatile silhouette from Saucony. This sneaker is a super breathable design using its super lightweight form-fit upper. It's made with a breathable marbled mesh that stays incredibly cool, using synthetic overlays for extra strength and style, especially in the heel, giving it a lockdown fit that goes perfectly with its traditional lace-up. Inside, there's more padding around the collar to really hug your foot for a more personalized feel, and it comes with a removable footbed. This footbed has extra cushioning in the heel and this side for arch support, so you have great out-of-box comfort, but the real foam power comes from its midsole. That power run foam is a less weighty cushioning that offers extra shock absorption as well as tons of energy return. The outsole is made with strong rubber, giving you plenty of grip, so it stays flexible and adaptive to your surroundings.